As of now, the invitation page of the second Google account is empty. So I am going to click on the connect button again. At that time, you can see that here it is listing the user who asked for connection. And next I am going to give the functionality for this accept button. What I'm going to do is in the Firebase, we have know that already there is a request in connection with the documents and field. So whenever the user clicked this accept button, I am going to edit this collection or edit this document. That means here I am going to add a new field that is called as status, and status equal to accepted. Okay, that's the change I'm going to make here. So before that, when we are adding this request, that means when the user click this connect button, at that time I'm going to add the status field at that time itself. Okay, that means I'm giving it as pending. So here in the connection there is send request function. Here we have added these details like username, designation, profile image, and ID. So here I am going to add the status as pending, as like this way. Okay. So now you can see that I am going to ignore the request again and I am going to click on the connect button. At that time a new request will be created. So here you can see that in the Firebase a new field is added that is pending. So next I am going to do is to define another function for or another function in the invitation component that is for accepting the invitation. So const accept request as like this way, which is equal to an arrow function, and I'm going to use the set doc from the Firebase, and I'm giving the async await as like this way. Try catch console dot error as error, and I'm putting this set doc inside this try as like this way. Then next I'm going to call this accept request function inside this accept button in the on click of this accept button. Okay. Next I'm going to do is to copy this to doc variable and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to bring some changes, that is I'm going to make it as accept doc and connection doc. Okay. Next I'm going to pass this connection doc inside this set doc function and accept doc into this. Okay. So now as a second argument I am going to pass the details such as designation. So here we need to pass the designation. So we need to accept the details of the user. So I am going to accept the parameter as user. So here I am going to give the each user, details of the each user as like this way. So now we can take the details from here. That means user dot designation, comma, username, user dot username, then profile image, that is user dot profile image, and ID user dot ID. Okay. So we have passed these details. The next, as a last details, I'm going to pass the status that is accepted or connected. Okay. So now you can see that I am going to ignore this again So as of now, you can see that there is no request in. The next I am going to click on the connect button again. A new request is formed with the details and the status that is pending. So next I am going to click on the accept button. At that time you can see that the pending status has changed to connected. Okay.